Okay, I have this little package here I would like to open here on camera. This package was sent to me by LAGUNAMOON Fashion Beauty. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link down below and tell you a little bit more about this package as soon as I get it open. It's a cute little box. Okay, look at that. Now, okay, I had a couple of young ladies ask me about odor being in your room. How can you eliminate the funky monomer odor in your room? Okay, because we know the weather has changed and we cannot open up them windows to get that stench up out of our rooms now. So what can we do to get the stench up out the room? Okay, now one thing you can do after you use your monomer, make sure you clean your dish well, maybe with some paper towel, and dispose of that immediately. Get that smell out your room. Put it in a plastic bag and you dispose of it. Okay, get rid of it soon as you finish a set. Do not let that monomer smell linger in your room, because the longer you have it in your room or in your work area, your space, the longer it's going to smell and the stronger it seems like it's going to get. But anyway, so this here was sent to me by LAGUNAMOON, and these here are some essential oils. Now you can use these here. This is what I use, and this here really works to get the funky smells out my room, y'all, because hey, I don't have the nose for it either, child. But yeah, this is so nice. I like how well it's packaged. And I don't even know the name that I use. I got quite a few little oils over here that I use in my little oil burner. Hold on, let me take these out. I got quite a few that I use already. I don't know which one I got. I think I got fresh linen in my oil burner here. But that's something I had already had. But again, I say I love using oils in the little oil burners to diffuse the smell, and it works really well. Now you can use wax tubes and wax cubes. You can use wax cubes as well, but I don't like to wait until the wax melt and then the smell come up out of wax machine. So I go strictly into the oils, because once you put the oils into the burner, immediately it starts freshening up your room. Okay, so now the fragrance that I was sent here, and these are USDA organic, which is excellent. 100% pure and certified organic oil, essential oil. Okay, so this here one is orange. It's called orange. This here one is lavender. This here one is frankincense. I don't know what frankincense smells like, so let me open it up and smell it. Oh my goodness, it's strong. It smells so good. But it'll catch you off guard though. Okay, and that's how it look when you take the top off of it. So what I do is I take a little bit of my oil and I drop it in my burner. This here one is eucalyptus. Okay, and this here one is cedar wood. I love me some cedar wood, y'all. Oh, I love me some cedar wood. I don't know if you're familiar with the smell of cedar wood, but baby, cedar wood is that deal. This here is a oil burner, wax warmer, whatever, whichever one you want to put in. This is just a smaller one that I had sitting up on the shelf behind me here. I don't use this one anymore, and show you I don't use it because I misplaced the bowl. But there's a bowl that goes on the top of here, and you just pour your wax in here and plug it up, and the smell just comes straight on up out of there. Any type of wax warmer, any type of oil burner you can use for those oils. Okay, so yeah, will I recommend these? Yes, I would, because they smell very good. These oils, I would honestly say, would probably be one of the fastest ways to get that smell out your room. Okay, y'all. So if you guys are interested, you can go by and check it out and purchase you some of these oils to keep that little funky monomer smell up out your room, girl. I might have time for that stench. All right, y'all, in a minute.